Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at new clips fresh from this week. I hope you guys enjoy it and make sure to like and subscribe. And before we start this video, guys, make sure to subscribe. Only 0.3% of you guys watching this video are actually subscribed. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to click the red button and click the bell next to it. Thank you. So on the first clip we have Ford Mustang. And I read before that Ford Mustang is actually the hardest car to drive, since it has back wheels power and of course it has a lot of horsepower, and therefore it's harder to drive than any other usual cars. So
glad I caught that on camera.
In this clip here, a fire truck is stuck behind a truck. And I said this in my last video that a lot of these things happen in the United States, where emergency vehicles just get stuck in the traffic. This is what happens when you drive fast. So this was the most liked video on Reddit. It's about Tesla driving insanely fast to the top of the hill, and just see what happens next. This one is really interesting. You can see already car driving what appears to be a desert, and you will actually see a Banshee that caused an accident. You can see an intersection here with two cars coming into it. There appears to be no traffic lights, or yes, there is a traffic light, my bad. And you will see in the bottom left corner a broken gate, and it appears to be that this case of accidents happens quite often. Another example of idiots on the road. This time it's not a car but a pedestrian. Thank God this guy was paying attention to the road and stopping before something bad happened.
You on point with it. You up there in age, but you still got it.
You're like a YouTube video.
Hey, take it easy, man.
You too, man.
Brake testing is always a bad idea, especially on the highway. Take a look at this video.
Are you fucking nuts? Shit! Ah!
Here you have a Tesla car, and somewhere in the near future of this video you will see what happens to it. It appears that not only Tesla cars are expensive, but also they are not safe as they say they are. Here it appears that a blue car didn't pay attention to the road and just straight went ahead and turned left while this guy was driving forwards, and of course this happened.
In the concrete box. So she asked me if I would be down to go down into the grave, right? So
I saw that.
Crawled into the grave and opened up the thing, and I didn't get hard. And I want to say that's a great
Wow, congratulations. It also seems like they really captured her. Double buried her. Cremated. a cremation container and then a
Soon after the clip starts, you will actually see a car driving on the opposite lane without headlights. So yeah, kinda dangerous. As always guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like it and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.